Are you struggling with how to use AI in your architectural design process? In this video, I will be showcasing how to use AI step by step, which AI to use, and how to transform your simple keyword into a concept, into a development stage, and into an architectural marvel. We will be discussing the whole process in 3 simple steps. Step number first is finding your keyword, finding your niche, finding your concept, the keyword to your concept. Second step is generating conceptual sketches, conceptual design, a different design, and iterations. And number third step is gonna be about the renderings, the final animations, and the final product. So buckle up, guys. But before we begin, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and drop a comment if you want any specific AI to learn. So let's get started. Moving forward with the first step, that is iterations of the keywords. There are many AI that you can use in this process, but AIs that I would recommend are these simplified AI. Now this AI is very simple. It generates words related to your keyword. Visit simplified.ai, and after that it will take you to this website. After signing in, you get this interface. So moving forward, click on new document. It will take you to this. Now this you can see it's a simple writing document where you can type and write different words, but it's more than that. Now all you have to do is type in this arrow and click help me write. So it's gonna help you write. What would you like to read today? Write keywords related to architectural concept nexus, connections of connections. Let's see what it writes. So here are different keywords that it wrote. We are gonna click insert and it's gonna write a list, make a list of the architectural keywords. Like this, we can write different keywords that is related to our concept. We can also write different paragraphs. We can do a lot with this keyword. So try to explore this. On the right side of your interface, you have AI chat, you have AI templates, and you have plagiarism checker. So all whenever you are writing anything, it's also continuously checking for plagiarism act. So when you are writing your thesis report or your any any report, your assignments, any documents, so it's continuously checking for plagiarism as well. Go ahead and explore this AI. The next AI is minimal AI, mnml.ai. Now this AI is very crucial and it is very important. It's a paid website, it's a paid AI, but you can get, after signing up, you can get few of the features that are free. We are going to use the free features. Obviously we are not going to get into the paid versions yet. So we are going to go to explore tools. Now what these are different functions of this AI that it can perform, but we are going to do to this AI concept generator, which is free. So we are going to use only this. The rest are tools are paid. What we can do is select here, I'm an architect, write your keywords 2 or 3. Now we are going to go back to this simplified AI which generated us keywords. So nexus, we are going to copy nexus, we are going to copy connections, we are going to copy networks, we are going to copy architecture. So we copied 4 keywords. Now we are going to paste these keywords over here: connections, networks, and architecture. Now creativity level, you can adjust this according to your I usually select 100 words because 150 words is too lengthy prompt. Now what this AI does is it generates prompt for us, which we can use in the later 2 stages. So we click generate and it writes prompt for us. Now this is a prompt that it wrote. Now at this stage we don't have any specific shape for our design. We only have these few words that we are going to use: connections, maybe connections of the people, maybe connections of the culture. That totally depends upon your design. So now this AI generated a prompt for us. Before moving this, taking this prompt into further stages, let's discuss the third AI for this stage, that is writer AI. Now this AI is similar to simplified AI, but it's a little bit advanced. I would prefer writer over simplified. After going to writer AI, you're gonna go to create tab. Over here you have many options that is you can use to write. Now all you have to do is go to keyword generator. Look for keyword because this is the only term that we are gonna work. The others one, if your email, if you want to write a blog, your email, you can also use this AI. So keyword generator, writing assistant. Now these are the primary words, the ones that we put in the minimal AI. So we are gonna drop the same over here. Sure. Now this is variants. It gives us two result, one result, three results. It totally depends upon you, whichever you like. And creativity level is I would choose optimal. It totally depends upon you, whichever you choose. So let's see what it gives us the result. Now these are the keywords that it gave. You see it, we generated this, and now these are the keywords. All right, now these keywords are specifically related to the connection style. The simplified AI that gives us keywords are a bit of, you know, synonyms and antonyms and kind of irregular form. Writer gave us the connection. You say cloud networking, patterns, distributed systems. Now these are directly related to the connections to your main keyword, and it also gives us few questions that we can ask about from ourselves. We can ask about our concept. Okay, so what we can do is we can copy these keywords, and we can again paste it in the minimal AI and get us a prompt. Now this is the end of the of the first step. We have generated prompt for ourselves. Now obviously you can go ahead and change the prompt according to your preferences, but here we are gonna forward with this prompt. We are gonna copy this prompt and moving forward to the next step. Now we have Lexica AI. This AI is very strange AI. It gives you existing images that it has saved in itself. I searched architecture connections network, or maybe architecture connections nexus. Let's search, move with nexus because nexus is our main keyword. So searching about architecture connection nexus. So now it gives us different images. Now these images are already present on the internet. They may be plagiarized or they may be whatever, so you have to look for that as well. Now this AI can do a lot more than this in the generate tab, but before I explain generate tab to you guys, let's move forward to other AIs. I'll get to this step in the end. We have Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is one of the best AI. It gives you 150 credits every 12 hours. So it's basically free. I think 150 credits for 12 hours are more than enough. Now it does image generation, real-time canvas editor, whatever you need. It's totally free. It does not cost any extra credits for any of them. But what we are going to do, we are going to go to image generation. Now we are going to copy that very prompt that we generated in our minimal AI, and we are going to paste prompt over here. So let's see what it gives. It has many options. You guys go ahead and explore these options. We have you can train your own AI bot in this Leonardo AI. So I'm just gonna go with the normal settings, none, add elements, no. You can also add negative prompt. Now negative prompt is a prompt where you add elements to excrete from your original prompt. Negative prompts, what it does is if you write, for example, red color in the negative prompt tab, it will not include red color in your design whatsoever. So make sure to keep that in mind. Now over here we have number of images, let's say 4. Okay, so magic prompt, no, transparency here. Anyways, whatever style you write, I'm gonna go to simple image and let's say generate. So here it says 4 tokens. So for every one image it takes 1 token. So you can generate like 150 images. Now let's wait for its loading. You can see it generated me different style. So what you can learn from this is you have to refine your prompt again and again. You have to refine it until it gives you an architectural shape. All right, so it gives you lines. Now you can take these lines and make sure to further refine it through sketches, further refine it through this AI or to other AIs, and get to your final shape. Now moving forward to other AIs, we have Prom AI. It is one of the best AI, but the Prom AI uses very specific prompt. It uses you have to know the prompt engineering, what to write and what not to write. Whereas Leonardo AI uses generalized prompt. You can write a paragraph, you can write like an essay in it. and it will understand. But prompt AI, you have to be specific. For example, color red, style modern. So you have to be very specific with its prompt. Now it generated image, it generates your sketch, what you have sketched manually, it convert it into a specific shape. Moving forward with another AI, Starry AI. Now this AI is similar to Prompt AI. It also uses very specific prompt, but it generates very high quality images. As you can see, it gives you your final shape of your design, or maybe it gives you different shapes. It gives you 4 different images for your one simple prompt. And what you can do is you can take those shapes, different elements from those images, different elements from each shape, and make your own specific design. And now after that, when you have done these designs, now what we are going to do is move third step, where we render our own design. So we are going to take that those conceptual sketches, we are going to take elements that we like, that we prefer, that relates with our original design, with our concept, that is nexus, connections, or whatever your concept might be. We are gonna combine those elements, and we are gonna make our own specific design, our own specific architectural marvel. We are gonna make a physical model, 3D model, or you can also go ahead and use softwares like SketchUp or rendering. You have to have skills of 3D modeling, skills of physical modeling, to move forward with your steps, the step-by-step guide. What AI does is minimize your times in your design process. Now moving forward with the rendering stage, after you have designed your physical 3D model, what you can do is you can go ahead in Vsoid AI. Now what this AI does is it takes your designs and it renders them for you through your specific settings. I have over here a villa that I have rendered through Vsoid. I'm going to show you. Now this was the SketchUp file. I took an image of the SketchUp model and I uploaded here. Now writing specific prompt and having changed specific settings, it gave me these renders. As you can see, we can use these renders in our final presentation, in our final, as a final model. It does not change any geometrical structure, although yeah, it does change a few of the aspects. But what you can do is, for perfection, for 100% result, if you want, you can go ahead and copy these images into your Photoshop, and you can edit as you want. But over here you can also use this replace tool or select area, where you can select area and images like that you want to change. So like here I have selected this area. You again write your prompt and it will give you a changed result without altering other areas of your image. After Visoid, we come to Viscom AI. Now Viscom AI also is an AI that renders your sketches, renders your physical 3D model. If you are not like in a mood of physical modeling, you can always just draw sketch of your exteriors, draw sketch of your interior, and you can go to Viscom and render your sketches. So go ahead and explore this AI for your rendering purposes and achieve a stunning rendering. For the third step, you can also use the Chrome AI. There are other aspects of Chrome AI such as image variation, but as I said, Chrome AI uses very specific prompt style. After you have generated your rendering images, you can always create animations for your 3D renders as well. Now for animations, you can use Chrome AI. There's a tab in for animation. You can get a 5-second animation, a 9-second animation, or a 3-second animation. You can also use Leonardo AI. It also has a tab for image to video. It converts your image, your renders into a video, but you have to know a specific prompt engineering. Now let's come back to the Lexica AI. Let's talk about Generate AI. Lexica AI Generate tab is a paid version, but let me tell you about this is it teaches you a lot. Yes, it teaches you how to do things and what to do things. Here we get an option about more ideas. Let's click this option and we are gonna get a prompt engineering aspect. Now this is prompt engineering that you guys need to learn. Now what it does is it study your prompt and it knows that what architectural elements you are considering. For example, concept. Now architectural concept, design concept, creation vision, or what are you using. So you can change those words over here. Now elements, what elements you are incorporating, spaces, which space, area, surroundings, landscape, territory. Now these are the elements that you can use, you can refine. So go ahead and study these AI tools for your own preferences, the way that you like. So make sure you know step-by-step process of how to use AI in your architectural design process. So if you like the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and drop a comment for the changes that you would like us, or for the AIs or tools that you would like us to explore further for you guys. So until then, see you.